very good morning to all of you. Today in this lecture we are going to discuss pattern of biodiversity. Okay, dear students, what we have discussed so far, we have discussed different types of biodiversity, that is your genetic diversity, species diversity and your ecological diversity. Under the same we have discussed your alpha, beta and gamma diversity, right? In this video we will be seeing pattern of biodiversity. ये लेक्चर में हम क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं? Pattern of biodiversity. Just to recall, okay, pattern of biodiversity, if I am talking about, then you very well know that number one, I am talking about latitudinal gradient, and number two, I am talking about species area relationship, right? So let's talk about this one by one. I am just brushing up what we people have already discussed in our regular videos, right? Chalo. So if I am talking about your latitudinal gradient, rather I should say latitudinal and altitudinal gradient. ठीक है? What I am saying, latitudinal and altitudinal gradient. ठीक है? Okay, my dear students, if I am talking about your latitudinal or altitudinal gradients, this is also said as a master gradient. New word for you people. इसको क्या कहा जाता है? It is said as master gradient. Okay, dear students, if I am talking about biodiversity, तो जैसे कि आपको पता है biodiversity is very little at pole, it increases and in temperate region, and it is maximum. Biodiversity is maximum in tropical region. To be more specific, 23.5 degree north to 23.5 degree south. यहाँ पे जो बायोडाइवर्सिटी होती है वो कैसी होती है my dear students? It is maximum. It is maximum. So वापस से एक बार what I told, पोलर रीजियन पे डाइवर्सिटी बहुत ही कम होती है, इट्स लिटिल बायोडाइवर्सिटी. As we move down in temperate region, biodiversity is bit more. It is maximum in tropical region, say 23.5 degree north to 23.5 degree south. What is the reason for the same? If I am talking about tropical regions, then these tropical regions are having favorable environment all the time. Okay, what I am saying, tropical region में जो environment है वो कैसा होता है बच्चों? It is favorable all the time. Whereas if I am talking about temperature, I mean to say if I am talking about condition of temperate region, तो यहाँ पे there is harsh condition during cold season. ठीक है? In temperate region, if I am talking about temperature, तो बहुत ही ठंडा होता है, and here there exist harsh condition. So what I am trying to say is that harsh condition prevails in temperate region during cold season. During cold season, whereas harsh condition prevails all the time in Arctic region. In Arctic region, and this could be a possible reason why biodiversity is more in tropics in comparison to temperates and polar region. Am I clear? Dear students, here I have mentioned what is there in our NCERT textbook once again. What is latitudinal gradient? As we move away from equator, मतलब equator, tropics, temperates, pole, biodiversity decreases. Am I clear? अगर कोई आपसे पूछे as you are moving from pole to equator, biodiversity increases. Am I clear? So here I have given certain examples. Again ये examples match the following. MCQ for your NEET purpose में पूछे जा सकते हैं, right? So ये numbers which are mentioned in our NCERT textbook, कोई दूसरे याद रखो ना रखो, I don't mind at all. But जो एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक में एग्जाम्पल है वो आपको याद रखने ही है. Okay, so what I have written over here, Colombia near equator is having 1400 species of bird. How many species? 1400 species of bird. At the very same time, if I am talking about New York, which is 41 degree north, is having 105 species of birds. If I am talking about Greenland, 71 degree north, it is having 56 species of birds. So as you notice, जैसे जैसे इक्वेटर से डिस्टेंस इंक्रीज होता चला जा रहा है, वैसे वैसे the number of birds over here also decreases. Maximum near equator, that is 1400, then 41 degree north, 105. 71 degree north, 56. If we are talking about our country, if we are talking about our India, whose most of land is in tropical region, we are having 1200 species of birds. How many species of birds we are having? We are having 1200 species of birds. Am I clear? My dear students, I hope ये आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया. Again, this point is very much important. Maximum diversity is found in our Amazon rainforest. आपने नाम सुना होगा, right? It is found in tropical Amazon rainforest of South America. Maximum biodiversity, which is having 40,000 species of plants, 3,000 species of fish, 1,300 species of birds, 427 species of mammals and amphibians. Right? We are having 378 species of reptiles and more than 1,25,000 of invertebrates. Are you people getting my point? Okay. Dear students, it is estimated that there are near to about 2 million insect species. What I am writing? I am writing 2 million insect species are yet to be discovered. Are yet to be discovered. Okay, where I am talking about yet to be discovered and named. What I am talking about, dear students, I am talking this about your Amazon rainforest only. ठीक है, तो देखो 2 million insect species was estimated to be discovered and named. Am I clear? Okay, so these are certain examples which I have written. Okay, if we are talking about mountain, so as we ascend the mountain, species diversity जो है वो कम होती है. Are you people getting my point? What I am saying, a decrease in species diversity as we ascend mountain is due to drop in temperature. Is due to drop in temperature. Say Lab's temperature being, here I am writing Lab's temperature being 6.5 degrees Celsius per kilometer. Per kilometer. Am I clear? Per kilometer मतलब I am talking about 1 kilometer only. ठीक है? Per 1 kilometer, or I can say 1000 meters. Simple as that. Okay? And there is a great seasonal variability. This could be the two possible reasons why as we move up the mountain, species diversity decreases. Number one, drop in temperature, and number two, great seasonal variability. Am I clear? Okay. What could be the other possible reason that tropics have more species diversity than that of your temperate one? Yes. Number one is your speciation. Okay. What is speciation? If you are talking about your temperate region, then this temperate region have experienced frequent glaciations where number of species died. Whereas if we are talking about your tropical region, then this tropical region remains undisturbed for millions of years, and so here species flourish and evolved. Here species flourish and evolved. Why? Because the tropical region remains unchanged for number of years, for couple of years. Am I clear? First possible reason, glaciations. Second possible reason, if you're talking about your tropical region, तो यहाँ पे all the time there is a favorable season. Tropical region में all the time there is favorable season, which allows species to become species to have Nike specialization, I can say, which allows species to have Nike specialization. Second possible reason. Third possible reason, availability of solar energy is more in tropics in comparison to that of temperate one. Am I clear? Okay, so these are a few possible reasons. One more if I want to add, then resources are more in tropics in comparison to your temperate. So next point, if you people want to add, so you can add over here. Here I am writing resource availability is more in tropics. Am I clear? Resource availability is more in tropics, and one more if I want to share is that there is a less competition. Okay, there is, I can say, reduced competition due to favorable condition. Due to favorable condition in tropics I am talking about. Done. So this could be your possible reasons. Okay, number 1 is speciation, number 2 favorable condition, number 3 solar energy, number 4 resource availability is more in tropics, number 5 reduced competition due to favorable condition all the time, and of course rate of extinction is low in tropics. If you want to add one more, you can add. Here I am writing rate of extinction is low in tropics as compared to temperate. Done. तो ये हो गया आपका latitudinal and altitudinal gradient, that is your master gradient. Next comes your species area relationship. Okay, this concept was proposed by Alexander von Humboldt while exploring wilderness of South America, right? He discovered that as the area increases, species diversity also increases, but up to certain extent, after which it decreases. And he plotted a graph, and this turns out to be rectangular hyperbola whose value is s is equal to a to power z. A to power z. Am I clear? This is the value, right? Converted into logarithmic scale. So log c is equal to log s is equal to log c plus z आगे आएगा z log a. Am I clear? Where z is regression coefficient and whose value remains constant irrespective of taxonomic group. Irrespective of taxonomic group or region, the value of z remains constant. Turns out to be 0.1 to 0.2. Turns out to be 0.1 to 0.2. Am I clear? But if we are doing the same for larger areas, the value of z turns out to come 0.6 to 1.2. An example for the same, if we are talking about frugivorous birds who eat fruits as well as mammals of tropical rainforest of different continents, turns out to be 1.15. So dear students, these numbers are very much important. This is for continent, this is for region. कुछ names दिए होंगे आपकी बुक में, birds of California, mollusk in New York, plants of Britain, yes or no? वो region की बात करी हमने. Done. So dear students, I hope पैटर्न ऑफ बायोडाइवर्सिटी वापस से एक बार रिवाइज हो गया है, राइट? वैसे भी पीपल हैव अंडरस्टूड द सेम इन योर रेगुलर क्लास टू. डन? So this is your pattern of biodiversity. I hope it is clear to you people. Thank you very much.